scoundrels, you're no better than deck swabbers. That was perfect.
How do we show Miss Sissy Pants how real man fights? Whatever, don't get hurt, honey.
You gotta talk to your monkey.
Jen.
Benvolio, my good friend. What are you doing there? I'm in a pickle. Love of my life, she's gone. I don't know how I'm gonna do this.
I'll get my pants.
Well, just be good to her. So come, let's talk about marriage. I forget the rest. that was pretty good. No, it's previous Lady Capulet actress has died of malaria. Sorry. Where's my daughter? Oh, you're not supposed to show me. Paris is wanting your love.
Not Paris.
I almost did it too. I'm like, ooh, Paris. Cheers. Is wanting your love.
Okay, so let's do like I'll still sit down.
Where should I like repeat that line then?
Oh yeah, just say James is wanting your love or whatever.
Okay. James.
It's okay.
James is wanting your love.
Ooh, James, Commodore. He's handsome.
Oh my goodness.
Record. Let's like squirting grass down on the field.
Deep breaths.
Do that again.
People, what do you want to say? Like, James is wanting
Be like, oh
like,
yes,
James.
he's a very handsome boy or something. You're an old woman.
Okay.
He's very gentleman or something.
He's very gentleman. He's very gentleman. Okay, we going?
Okay, go.
Okay. It's still full. It's still rolling, isn't it?
Yeah. It was going like the whole time.
Because I didn't hear the click.
Keep on going.
Okay.
Keep on going.
Ooh, James. He's handsome.
He's such a gentleman.
I can't remember.
He's such a gentleman.
Okay. Ooh, James. He's such a gentleman.
Can't I wait?
Why? You are old enough now. I was married when I was your age. Besides, why don't you? I'll go besides. Okay, sit. Besides, why don't you give Paris a chance? Go again.
Come on. We gotta get this.
Besides, why won't you give James a chance?
I'll try.
Butler.
Oh, what do I say?
People are arriving for the party.
People are arriving for the party now.
Go. Get ready.
Go anytime.
Go. All right, Elizabeth, try to have a good time. Why'd you go that way? Because I'm supposed to.
Filming you.
Peace.
Hey, you. Who's that over there? Pardon? You drunk? Look at her. She's a sight for sore eyes. Her eyes as blue as the Caribbean Sea. Her hair dark like chestnuts. She's the most beautiful creature I've laid eyes on. Aren't you supposed to start on us?
No.
Wait. So.
Hey, that's Romeo. I'll show him to crash my party. I don't
forbid all this fighting, and I'm getting in trouble. What do you... Right!
Hey, that's that William Turner guy. Dude. No.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Over it. Just come in.
Okay, wait, let me just say my line really quickly.
Wait. Welcome to the party, ladies and gentlemen. Make yourselves at home, but first, let's dance. Go.
Excuse me, madam. Who is she? Why, she's Elizabeth Warren Capulet, daughter of the governor herself. A Capulet? Why must I be damned with all this crap? Come with me, dear. We'll figure something out.
I know.
Quiet on the set.
Find Juliet. What are you bringing? Juliet!
William! William!
recording?
Where are you, William?
Do you see him?
No.
You said Juliet, not Elizabeth. Dang! No. When you go, be like, oh, Mercutio's. I'm gonna hide in this bush. Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
I'm gonna find Elizabeth. Oh shit, Mercutio's coming. His name's not Mercutio, is it?
It's Jack!
Yell after again? Is it William? Wait.
Pet.
Go for it.
Should I hide this?
No, you can't fall.
She said it to us, I think. What?
You can go. It's going.
I'm gonna find Elizabeth. Oh shit, Jack's coming.
William! William, where are you, William? Do you see him? No. I'll count to 3. 3, 2, 2. Come on out! If you keep chasing after a woman, you're gonna end up drinking.
What? What the hell are they?
I don't know. William, where are you, William? I'll count to 3. 1, 2, 2. Come on, William. If you keep chasing after a woman like this, you're gonna end up drinking.
Okay, go.